Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check your account history on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view your account history so you can easily see all the changes you've made to your Instagram profile over time. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and following lists. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of your profile screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap on this icon to open up the main menu, which gives you access to a variety of Instagram settings and features. From the menu, find and tap on the option labeled Your Activity. This section is designed to help you manage and review everything you've done on Instagram, from your interactions to the time you've spent on the app. Now, within the Your Activity section, scroll down until you see Account History. Tap on it. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the changes you've made to your account. This includes things like changes to your username, bio, profile picture, and even your email address or phone number. Each entry is time-stamped, so you can see exactly when each change was made. Reviewing your account history is a great way to keep track of your profile updates and ensure your information is always accurate. If you ever need to reference a previous username or check when you updated your bio, this is the place to look. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can view your entire account history on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching.